hear that?
Hear what? Casey! Just lie back.
With the exception of an unexplained disturbance at the site, today's trial was a complete success.
Great. Send me the tapes.
The best part of my job, watching impossible dreams become reality. How far was the target?
3 kilometers away.
3 kilometers. That's half a kilometer further than projected.
Yes. Leviathan is exceeding all expectations across the board.
If this goes well tomorrow, my associates from the Pentagon are going to want to put Leviathan on every vessel in the fleet.